Hello viewers, I am Nandar here. Today we discuss about Junior Engineering Examination 2020. SSSC JE 2020 examination notification recently released. In this video, we discuss about this examination, age limit, education qualification, exam pattern and other details. Then finally students can apply or not. Watch the video fully. So if not subscribed to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for latest update. First, Junior Engineer examination dates. Application submission online 1/10/2020 to 30/10/2020. October 30 is the last date for applying the application. Then last time for online payment 1/10/2020. Then offline challan 3/11/2020. Then payment through challan the work hours 5/11/2020. Paper 1 examination computer based 23/2021 to 25/3/2021. Paper 2 date not announced, it will be notified later. Next, detail of post. Totally 19 organizations announced the vacancy. 19 posts. 2 posts. The border road organization can eligible only male candidates. Other than 17 posts can apply both male and female. The vacancies number not mentioned anything. If they can mention later. Last year 1600 vacancies totally. Maybe expert this year more than 1000. Next, age limit. 19 organization they notified the age limit in this table. Up to 30 the age limit is common to all 19 organization. In few organization up to 32 they have age limit. The age 30 and 32 as on date within the limit as on date 1/1/2021. Okay. Then for relaxation SC/ST 5 years and OBC 3 years. The person with disabilities 10 years. The person with disabilities in OBC 13 years. In SC/ST disabilities 15 years. Next, education qualification and experience. 19 organization they mentioned the education qualification experience. In few organization they mentioned only degree. In few organization mentioned diploma. Few organization mentioned degree and diploma. For example, a junior engineering civil road board organization qualification degree in civil engineering or 3 years diploma in civil engineering with 2 years working experience. Likewise, road board organization they need degree in electrical or mechanical engineering, 3 years diploma in electrical, automobile and mechanical. Then with 2 years experience. In National Technical Research Organization they ask only diploma in civil, electrical and mechanical. So when applying the post we check the is he eligible or not. Next, application fee. Application fee 100 rupees for general and OBC. Women candidate and SC/ST and person with disabilities they completely free. Can apply in the website sasc.nic.in. In this website you first of all register your mail ID and create one password. Then you go to the website, enter your mail ID and password. You can apply directly. The registration process image will be lost in this video. It will attached. Next, examination centers. Examination centers available north, south, east, western region. In this video I mentioned southern region. Southern region means Andhra Pradesh, Pondicherry, Tamil Nadu and Telangana. In Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Coimbatore, Madurai, Salem, Tiruchirappalli, Tirunelveli and Vellore, the examination centers available. Then SSSC regional office available in Chennai DPA campus. If you have any doubt, contact here. Next, scheme of examination. The scheme of examination, it has two papers. First paper, objective type, computer based examination. Subject, general intelligence and reasoning, 50 marks, 50 questions, 2 hours. Then second one, general awareness, 50 marks, 50 questions. Then part A, part B, part C. Part A, general engineering, civil and structural, and part B, general engineering, electrical. Then part C, general engineering, mechanical. 100 marks, 100 questions. Here are negative marks available. 0.25 marks, negative marks, 1/4. Then in paper 2, descriptive type, written test. Part A, civil, general engineering, civil and structural. Part B, general engineering, electrical. Part C, general engineering, mechanical. Totally 300 marks. In paper 2, you can bring the calculator, logbook, and steam table, etc. But in paper 1, calculator not allowed for the examination. Next, examination syllabus for paper 1, general engineering and reasoning syllabus. Then general awareness syllabus. Then general engineering, civil, structure, electrical and mechanical. Part A, civil engineering syllabus. Part B, electrical and electronic syllabus. Then part C, mechanical engineering syllabus. Next, one-time registration form screenshots. First, you enter your Aadhaar number, then ID number. ID number means voter ID. Then enter your name, father name, mother name, then your date of birth. Then followed by you enter your education qualification, year of passing, then gender, mail ID, phone number. Then you enter your address, communication address, state, district, then center, examination centers. Up to this video, we discussed age limit, education qualification, examination pattern, then syllabus, then how to apply this JEE examination. If you have any doubt in this video, you text in comment box. In southern region, few of them only applying for JEE examination. In past years, syllabus not much difficult. It is more easier when compared to other examination. Apply JEE examination 2020. If you like this video, subscribe and like, share your friends. Thank you.